Today we start the tongue and groove pine on the ceiling. This morning it was quite cold and the guys showed up, a bunch of guys from church and people came to help. And in the afternoon we're already a good 2/3 done with the ceiling of the whole house. And Jalen and Wayne and Tyler are going up to the tower up there, that tower, and put the decking on the tower. So yeah, it's pretty exciting at this stage. You get a roof above us, and the day turned out beautiful. It was cold this morning, but it turned out clear this afternoon and not too cold, so it's perfect. We're really excited. So Jim is going to put the last piece in here. You think it's gonna fit, Jim?
Not yet.
Oh, you gotta do
a long cut.
Okay.